How to blur background in CapCut PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, before we are going to get started, this is my clip right here. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to duplicate it. We're going to create an overlay. So I'm just going to right click this one, click copy, and then here at the top, I'm just going to right click once again and then paste it. Next, I'm just going to align them together just like so, and then we can begin. So from this point forward, what we are going to do is just head over to cutout. And remember that you are going to have to click the overlay video that you have here, and then you're going to click auto cutout. Now, after doing this one, you're just going to click the first video, and then you're going to go over and drag an effects. Now here, go ahead and look for blur. All right, and then we're going to drag this one here and we're going to go ahead and put it on our first clip. As you can see, now we have managed to add a blur effect here. Now you can adjust the intensity of the blur right here. So this is how it looks without the blur, and then you can go ahead and increase this one. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and increase this to 15. So this is how it looks right now. And that is how to blur background in CapCut PC.